Well, there you are. Welcome to the Noisy Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the sound of footsteps in the snow. I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients. A boot, some crunchy bits, cornstarch, have a little beverage. So this first ingredient that I told you about, the boot, it's pretty obvious. The next element in this sound effect is your actual footsteps. And you can do these on dirt, or get yourself something to add to the dirt depending on the temperature of the snow. Add some crunchy bits, like some kind of cereal or something. You know what else works pretty good? Salt that you use for the road when you're driving in the wintertime in Canada. And now that cornstarch I told you about, you're going to want to put it into a piece of cloth. And this is the secret element. Don't tell anybody. But this is what adds the squeak to those footsteps. Listen to this. And when you sync those up with the actual footsteps you did in the dirt, sounds like snow. Have a little beverage. So that's how to make the sound of footsteps in the snow. If you have any ideas of any sound effects you want me to make for you, leave them in the comments down below, and thanks for coming to Noisy Kitchen. Cheers!